Excellence in science. Shimadzu.
Hi, we're here at Pittcon at the Shimadzu booth with Alan Marks. Alan is the marketing manager for Shimadzu's pharmaceutical market segment based in Columbia, Maryland. Alan, to start off, can you talk to me about the crude to pure, the system behind us?
Sure.
Tell us about the key functionalities and the benefits to the pharmaceutical industry.
So this is a system which allows users to purify target compounds in a very short period of time. The traditional process can take multiple days. Here we can do the whole process with up to 4 compounds in about 4 hours. So it consists of 2 systems. One is a concentration and trapping system where we concentrate the target compounds down. We then transfer that to a recovery system where we recover the compounds of interest. Traditionally, the compounds will end up in a liquid. Potential danger of that is there can be contaminants from impurities in the liquid and so forth. Here, we end up with the ultra pure powder. If customers also are looking at trying to purify as many compounds as possible, we can add an auto sampler and also purify up to about 22 different compounds in a 24-hour period.
So next we're going to be talking about what Shimadzu is doing in the 2DLC space. Can you talk to us a little bit about that?
What we're also introducing here at Pittcon is what we call a Nexera square chromatography system. So this is Shimadzu's entry into comprehensive 2-dimensional chromatography. This system really offers huge advantages for customers that are maybe measuring enantiomers, lipids, peptides, or maybe even flavors or flavonoid type compounds. Situations where traditional chromatography doesn't separate the target compounds that they're looking at. So in the 2-dimensional chromatography, we use 2 independent columns, dual switching valves, and so forth, which allow us basically to take continuous aliquots of liquid that are eluting from the first column, and we pass them through a second column. So that really allows us to separate out the absolute most complex mixtures. In combination with that is software that we've developed, which allows us then to represent that data from these 2 dimensions in a 2-dimensional 2D contour plot format. From these 2D contour plots, we're allowed to analyze both qualitatively and quantitatively from this 2-dimensional chromatography experiment. Detection can be either by PDA UV-Vis or it can be by mass spectrometry.
So tell us about the aggregate sizer.
Okay, another new product that we're introducing at Pittcon, the aggregate sizer, is a product that really targets the pharmaceutical industry, where people are looking at measuring particle sizes of aggregates. It targets compounds in the 100 nanometer to 10 micrometer particle size range. It allows customers not only to determine the particle size, but to determine the particle concentration.
So tell us about the Easy Test, your universal testing system.
So another new product that we're introducing at Pittcon is a product which measures physical force. So in the pharmaceutical industry, they're designing tablets, capsules, packaging material. They have to understand the force that it may take to maybe cleave a tablet into, or how much force does it takes to break a capsule. How much force does it take to push a tablet or a capsule through the packaging material. This product allows them to measure that force very accurately as part of the design of their products and their packaging.
Thank you, Alan. To find out more, visit shimadzu.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.